Hello and good morning. Here I'm going to teach you about IMG funnels, how you will post it on your Facebook or your Facebook page. So I'll just share screen. You have to log into your IMG. So it's www.img-corp.com and click members login. Enter your user ID or your agent code and your password and log in. I'll just wait. And then in tools, you can see IMG Dominate, and then you can click on that one. So here we are now in IMG Dominate. For you to access it, you need to log in again. Here we have Sir Joan de las Peñas welcoming you to IMG Dominate. So here you can see you have your affiliate links. So you have your 10 million 2025. So this one you can also copy and paste it to your Facebook page. And then we have your offer page, membership benefit checklist, IMG online workshop, Kaiser code, turning point success stories, and attendance. On this left side, you have your wealth creation system. So here we also have videos and then the exams and then online seminars. So here you can, for online, you can pay for 2,000 or 5,000 pesos for that one. And then here is on the left side is your My Funnels, virtual events, pre-recorded events, live events, survey, list, email blast, email sequence. But for now, we'll focus on your My Funnels. So if you have funnels you've created already, then you can start and posting it for your Facebook page. So here I have my website. So this is my website. So img.com/Jane-Shieldhubble. So for example, if I want to post mutual funds to my Facebook page, I really like posting mutual funds, ebooks, top benefits, Kaiser. So most of this, I like to post it on my page. And also the turning point success stories. So for here, if I want my website to be posted on Facebook, I will just share on Facebook. But for now, if I want to focus on one, I prefer to do it like, for example, click on the mutual fund. So here is all about mutual fund, stock market investing. So it explains the difference of stock market and mutual funds. So why we need to invest in mutual funds if we are not good in investing in the stock market on our own. So it's better to invest in mutual funds for if we don't know the technical analysis of the stock market. So with mutual fund, you have a fund manager who's going to invest it for you. So here I have my website for mutual funds. I will just click on the link and copy it. Copy. And then I will go to my Facebook page. So here is my pages. This is my shortcuts. So I'll just go to the page where I want to post it. So here, IMG International Marketing Group, United Kingdom. So I will click on this one. So here is my page. These are the members, leaders, and associates in IMG United Kingdom, and we have our guests as well with us in this picture. So if I want to post this, so I will just write a post and click on it. Right click on it and paste the link. So here it will show my website, and then if I just want to write something about it, so why invest in mutual fund? In mutual fund, what are the benefits in investing in mutual funds? How much I can start to invest? So here it will show my link. So if they click on that link, then they will go straight to my website. So click on the link to know more about mutual fund investing. So that's it. And then post. Here, just say post. Or just wait, it's loading. So in my page, I put the Kaiser. So if you want to boost on your page or your website, you need to keep on posting it, example, every day, or how many times you want in a week, maybe three to five times in a week or twice a week. So I also shared about the stories. So yeah, people like reading stories, so it's better if you put the stories over there, why they need to join IMG, why they want to get Kaiser, why they need to invest, why they need to um, what are their purpose in life. So here, live with a purpose. So just like that. Another way of posting it, let's go back to your dominate. So you click on share on Facebook. Here, this is your funnel, this is your website. So you can see your index, thank you, mutual funds, ebooks, top benefits, Kaiser Online, Financial Center, and how to do IMG online. So here you can use share via email if you know their emails, and share on Facebook. So you can share also on Facebook. So just click on share on Facebook. So this is on your Facebook. So if you want to change the photo of that Facebook, so you just click on here. But I want this photo to be shown, so that is okay for me. So if you want to change your title, you can change it here. So saving and building your future. Let me see what's in the book. Is the secret of saving and building your future. So we'll just write the title of the book, The Secret of Saving and Building Your Future. So you want to change the description. So get free coaching today, or you can add here, get ebook, get free ebook and coaching today. So I can do that one, and then you can just post it, update and share. So that's it. If I don't want to change anything, so only this one. So update and share. And then share on Facebook. Remember, don't just keep on sharing it quickly. So you have to check if where do you want to share it on your Facebook. If you want to share it on your page or on your post or your news feed or wherever you want to post it, to share to a group. So here it says my name. So if I want to share it on my news feed, or I can change it to my story. Here you can change it to your share on friends timeline, share to a group, share in an event. So share on your page you manage, or share in a private message. So you can choose here whichever you want to post it. So if you want to post it on your page, so share on the page you manage. So if you want to post it on your own page or your own Facebook, so share it on your news feed or story. But for me, I want to share it on my page. So here, share on a page you manage. So click on that one. And then because I have too many pages, so make sure you have to click it on the right or page, post it on the correct page. So here I have International Marketing Group, United Kingdom. So click on that one. So posting as International Marketing Group. And then I just have to check Or do you want to say anything about it again? So, do you want to receive free ebook? Click and down, click register your email address or send your email address. So what Jumar Hilario said, you have to put your title. So the secret to saving. So I'll write it on top of this one if you want to receive. So the secret of saving and building your future. There. And do you want to receive free ebook? Register your email address or send your email address. That's it. You need to have an action. So do you want to receive free ebook? Register your email address. That's it. And then with that email address, you can do auto responders. So it's better that you receive their email addresses. So now we can post this to Facebook. That's it. It's done. So we can go to my page in the Facebook and check if it's there. It's too slow. But we'll check it later. So that's it for now, and thank you. I'll see you more in more of my Facebook, YouTube learnings. See you then. Bye. Bye.